Pickling banana peppers is a simple process. Here's the recipe, and I'll leave everything I'm about to say in the description. So the ingredients: 1 pound of banana peppers, 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, which is optional, minced or whole, 1 teaspoon of pickling spice, optional, and a teaspoon of peppercorn, which is also optional. So here are the instructions. Prepare the peppers. Wash the banana peppers and remove the stems. Okay? You can slice them into rings or leave them whole. Now, sterilize the jars, and the lids by boiling them in water for about 10 minutes or running them through a dishwasher. Number 3, make them brine. So in a saucepan, combine the vinegar, water, sugar, and salt and bring it to a boil, stirring it until the sugar and the salt are dissolved. Number 4, pack the jars. So you place the peppers into sterilized jars. Add the garlic, the pickling spice, and the peppercorns if you're using them. Number 5, add brine. So you pour out the hot brine over the peppers, and you leave about ½ inch of headspace at the top. Ensure that the peppers are fully submerged. Number 6, you seal the jars. So you wipe the rim of the jars with a clean cloth. You seal the lids and the bands. Number 7, the process, which is optional. So for longer storage, process the jars in boiling water, in boiling water bath, okay, for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you plan to consume them quickly, refrigeration is sufficient. And then you cool and you store them. So you allow it to store in the refrigerator for up to a month, or in a cool, dark place for longer periods. So enjoy it. Let the peppers sit for at least 24 hours for the best flavor. They can be enjoyed on sandwiches, salads, and snacks.